Reggae Boys head coach Hallgrimsson has named the squad for his first assignment on local soil, which takes place against Trinidad and Tobago on Saturday at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. Here's Jermaine Brown.
Defender Adrian Mariappa, at age 35, is the oldest player named in the 25-man squad, while Dejon Richards is the youngest at 17. According to head coach Hallgrimsson, he doesn't pick players by age, but by who is good enough to play for the national team.
If he is 17 or if he is 40, if he is good enough, then we should select him. Now it's a friendly, and it's more like testing. So I take, for example, now Maps for his experience, because he's in that position that can help a lot of the players.
Hallgrimsson says keeping the young players in the squad is not down to him, but to those who adapt well.
Just to show that they are listening to the tactical information that we are trying to implement. Also, the mental aspect of being a professional in this environment is good. Is necessary, and then to take their chance when they get it on the pitch. But most of us will judge a player by the minute they get on the pitch. But for me, it's so much more than that.
But despite Hallgrimsson's willingness to give young players a chance, he's aware of what it takes in the short and long term, especially with the overseas-based players waiting in the wings.
I hope we will attract interest of good players who want to play for Jamaica. And I know most of these players, the young players here, will not help me in the short run, but they will help Jamaica in the future. And that is how we should think, because the future will come whether we will be ready or not. So I will not get the credit. It will be probably the next coach or the third, as Jamaica has been hiring coaches, probably the fourth or fifth coach from me will benefit from this.
The upcoming games will be Hallgrimsson's first with the national team on home soil, and he says he's eagerly awaiting them.
The pitch in Mobay will be as good as this one. This is the best one I've seen. So I hope the Mobay pitch will be ready, and we can play a good football. But I hope as well that the people, the fans, will come and support these boys.
The first game will be played this Saturday, March 11, at the Catherine Hall Sports Complex in Montego Bay, with the second game to be played next Tuesday, March 14, at the National Stadium.